Universal Market Access, or UMA, makes decentralized financial contracts easy to create and manage, allowing developers the ability to deploy efficient smart contracts on Ethereum. UMA allows anyone to create derivative contracts secured by our optimistic oracle. UMA contracts are designed pricelessly, meaning that the contract can operate without the need of prices to be constantly pushed to the contract on-chain. This makes it more efficient to create your contracts. Decentralized contracts rely on external information in order to verify the collateral in the contract is sufficiently solvent. UMA removes the need for an on-chain oracle. Instead, it has an oracle that is only required when there is a dispute in the network. To understand how the oracle works simply, we look at the actors in the UMA system. A user of the contract is referred to as a token sponsor, who will lock up a collateral like Ethereum in the contract to mint a synthetic token. A liquidator bot checks positions of token sponsors by using a reference price indicator to ensure that they are not under-collateralized. A liquidator bot finds an uncollateralized position, it can liquidate the position. To keep the liquidator bots in check, another actor, a disputer bot, checks the liquidations to make sure they've been calculated correctly. If a dispute bot believes a position has been incorrectly liquidated, it disputes the liquidation. In the event of a dispute, the disputer bot calls the data verification mechanism, or DVM, to resolve the disputes by consensus. DVM relies on UMA token holders to vote by consensus for the correct price. The system works efficiently as a number of requests to the DVM is only required when a rare dispute happens. The overall security of the protocol is secured by the fact that the incentive to corrupt the system would require the profit from the corruption being higher than the cost of that corruption. You would not spend $100 to make $80, meaning to corrupt enough a vote, you would need to make more than 50% of all UMA tokens. Putting it all together, we have token sponsors that create synthetics, liquidator bots that check the collateralization of sponsor positions using a price indicator, disputer bots to keep the liquidators in check, and an optimistic oracle that governs the system by making sure that an on-chain price feed is not needed. This is only scratching the surface. To find out more about our priceless financial design, how to create your own derivative contract, the liquidator disputer network, or how voting with UMA tokens work, you can head to our website, join our Discord.